Polytechnik's PolyHeld combustion system is climate-friendly and unique within its performance class. Thanks to staged combustion, it achieves emissions significantly lower than statutory limits and reduces dust emissions by a factor of up to 100, all with the utmost efficiency. Lower energy and fuel consumption, as well as its filterless technology, make PolyHeld an extremely economical solution. This innovative combustion plant uses fuel according to the customer's preferences and is fed by a screw conveyor. During this process, filling level and fuel height are regulated continuously. After ignition of the fuel bed in the lower section, combustion air is supplied from below the specially designed roof-type grate. During normal operation, the high temperatures and air supply are sufficient for ignition. The charcoal layer is located above the grate. The released dust particles are filtered in the fuel layer above. Fine dust is separated and discharged with the grate ash. Simultaneously, the fuel is pre-dried in the upper section. More air is supplied above the fuel bed, and the syngas is safely ignited. A high-quality upper part with its fire clay lining, as well as continuous monitoring of the flame, prevent it from going out, while further supplied with air in a controlled and staged manner. The syngas is now transferred to a cooled combustion chamber. During this process, the syngas is burned completely, and nitrogen oxide formation is reduced to a minimum. To ensure highest combustion efficiency, excess air is largely reduced during post-combustion. The temperature inside the combustion chamber is precisely controlled with recirculated flue gas and is kept within the required thresholds. The hot, clean flue gases are cooled in the downstream boiler. Here, an efficiency of over 92% can be achieved. Water, as well as steam or thermal oil, may be used as heat carriers. The combustion residues in the form of grate ash burn out at a very high degree, are transported to the end of the grate by the grate's movement, and automatically discharged to the ash container by a screw system. PolyHeld, the revolutionary combustion technology by Polytechnik, pioneering in environmental compatibility, efficiency, and economic viability.